Want to learn how to reset the password of your BetterHelp app's account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I have already installed BetterHelp app on my phone. You can also do the same, and if you do have an account, you can simply tap on it. But if you do not have one and don't know how to create it, you can visit our channel and watch a video related to how to create a BetterHelp account, BetterHelp app's account on our channel. After that, you can tap on BetterHelp app. You're onto the very first section of the BetterHelp app. Now tap on login next to already sign up. You can see that you have an option of forgot password below login. Tap on forgot password. For getting a reset password email on your email address, tap on email address above and enter an email address. And then tap on send reset password email below. You can see that an email has been sent to your email address. Now you need to go to your email address and check it for resetting your password. I'm going to do mine. You can do of your own. So I'm onto the homepage of my own email address, and on the top I do have a notification from betterhelp.com for resetting my password. So I'm going to tap on it on the top. You can see that you can click here to reset your password. Tap and click here to reset your password. Now you can open with BetterHelp or the browser on your phone. I'm going to choose a BetterHelp app. You can choose of your own. So you can see that I've been welcome back, and I can create a new password here to reset it. Tap on password and create a new password. When you're done creating a strong password, tap on done below. So you can see that just by doing it, you have successfully reset the password of your BetterHelp app's account, and you're successfully logged in as well. And to confirm that this is your own account, you can scroll down and see all of your filled up details. Yes, this belongs to me. So this is how you do it. I hope this video is really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.